Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette and I'm going in with the color Saturn and I'm putting that in my crease area, and that will be my first transition color. And I'm also using the brush that came with the palette. So for this moment I'm only using the fluffy end of that brush to help blend out that crease area. So now I'm taking the color Parallel and I'm putting that right on top of the color Saturn, and I'm using the same blending brush. And I also decided to use tape because I wanted my look to be very nice and clean at the end. And if you're using tape, it's really good for eyeshadows that have a lot of fallout. So you won't have to worry about, eyeshadow messing up your foundation if you apply foundation first. It's really good for catching any of that fallout. Okay, so I'm going back in with the color Saturn because I feel like that color is getting really lost in the sauce. So if you're not careful, you can really blend that color away. So that's why I'm just going back in with that color just to really make that color more vibrant. So right now I'm cutting my crease and I'm using this detailer brush by Real Techniques. And I'm not going to cut my crease all the way. I'm going to do more of a half crease so it stops like midway of my eye. And the concealer I'm using is LA Girl Pro in the color Warm Honey. So now I'm going in with the color Throne and I'm making sure to pack that color on because I really want this color to pop. So I'm just going to be putting that all over my lid. So now I'm taking the color Obsidian and I'm putting that right in the corner. So I would not be taking this color any further. I just want to focus it on the outer part. And I am going to make sure I blend this color out really well because I do want to have that smooth transition between the colors. As you can see, I'm having quite a bit of fallout from this particular eyeshadow. But I'm glad that the tape is there to help catch all of that. So moving on to face, I'm using the Pond's Dry Skin Cream as my primer. I'm also using Born to Glow Illuminating Primer by NYX, and this is going to give me a really nice glow up under my foundation. So for foundation, I'm using Fenty Beauty in the color 390, and I'm also using Fit Me Matte Poreless in the color 340, and I'm just going to be blending those two colors out. So for blending, I'm using my Real Techniques buffing brush, and I really do like this brush just because it doesn't soak up all the product like a sponge will do, and it blends out so seamlessly. It's just amazing. Like, I love this brush. And for my lips, I use this sugar scrub, but I don't know the name of it, but I do know you probably can find it at your local TJ Maxx. So for concealer, I'm using LA Girl in the color, I believe it's Warm Honey, yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna go under my eyes, my chin area, my Cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose. Gotta make sure nose is snatched, and lastly but not least, my forehead. So now I'm going on top of that with the color Fawn just to brighten it up a little bit. I'm setting this with the Midnight Luxury powder. So for contour, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick, and this is in the color Truffle. This is my first time using this product, but I do like the way it blends. So as I'm brushing away the powder, I will be using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark, and that's going to just add that color right back into my skin because I did lose it when I started to bake. Going back in with the color Throne, I will be putting that under my eyes. I'm also coating my bottom lashes with the They're Real mascara. For lashes, I'm using the Eylure Luxe, and these have a Faux Mink effect to them, and these are like by far my favorite lashes ever. I did end up cutting them because they were too big for my eyes. Lastly, going in with the color Spirit, and I'm putting that right in the corner of my eyes just to give it a little pop of color. Taking this roll-on glitter by NYX, and I'm just putting that on top of Sphere just to add a little shimmer to my eyes. So I'm setting my face with the MAC Fix Plus. So moving on to lips, I'm just lining them in the color Mahogany, and this lip liner is by MAC, and this is such a pretty color. I really do like this lip liner. It really has those reddish brown tones that I like, and it just looks really good on the lips, period. So now I'm just going in with this NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the color Cashmere Silk, and this is such a pretty color. Like, I love how it feels on my lips, and it also has that matte finish, which I really do like. For highlight, I'm using Goddess Glow, and this is by Tarte, and this is my first time using this highlighter. I had it for a while, but I'm just not getting around to use it, and I really do like this highlighter so far. So this concludes my look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I did. I really didn't know what I wanted to do with this look. I really wanted to go off of what I was wearing today, and it came out really pretty. It came out to like an emerald green smoked out look, and it's really pretty. It's really eye-catching, so you really can wear this out during the day
or at night. It really doesn't matter because, you know, makeup doesn't have any rules or restrictions, so you can just do whatever. So if you're new to my channel, welcome, and please hit that subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications so that you will know exactly when I do post. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.